Dolphins, minds of the ocean beneath the surface of the world. Ocean swims one of nature's most intelligent and captivating creatures. The dolphin, known for their grace, intelligence, and social nature, dolphins have long fascinated scientists and storytellers alike. Today, we dive deep into their world to uncover their habits, emotions, language, and the extraordinary lives they lead beneath the waves. There are over 40 species of dolphins, inhabiting nearly every ocean and even some rivers. From the bottlenose dolphin, the most familiar species, to the Amazon River dolphin, pink and elusive, dolphins come in many forms. They are part of the cetacean family, closely related to whales, and have evolved over millions of years to become masters of their marine world. Dolphins are often compared to primates in terms of intelligence. Their brains are large and complex, with the neocortex, the part of the brain responsible for memory and self-awareness, highly developed. They can recognize themselves in mirrors, understand symbols, learn human-created languages, and even create new sounds to name each other. These are not just animals surviving, they are minds beneath the waves. Dolphins don't just make noise, they communicate. Each dolphin has a signature whistle, much like a name. They use an array of sounds, clicks, squeals, and whistles to signal danger, express joy, or coordinate group efforts. They also use echolocation, sending out sound waves and listening to the echo that bounces back to sea with sound. This sonar ability allows them to hunt, navigate, and interact in complete darkness or murky waters. Dolphins live in complex social groups called pods. These pods can be small families or massive groups of hundreds. They cooperate to hunt, play, and raise young together. Mothers nurse their calves for up to 2 years, teaching them the skills they need to survive. Friendships can last decades, and dolphins have even been observed grieving the death of companions. There is empathy in their eyes and loyalty in their bonds. One of the most fascinating things about dolphins is their playful nature. They surf waves, chase each other, toss seaweed like a ball, and even play games with other animals. Some pods have been seen using tools like sea sponges to protect their snouts while foraging on the seafloor. This behavior is passed from mother to calf, suggesting a form of culture, a trait once thought exclusive to humans. For thousands of years, dolphins have appeared in our myths, art, and dreams. Ancient sailors saw them as omens of good luck. Today, they are featured in aquariums, therapy programs, and scientific studies. In some parts of the world, wild dolphins have even learned to cooperate with fishermen, driving fish into nets in exchange for a share of the catch. But this relationship is not always gentle. Modern challenges threaten the lives of dolphins. Pollution, climate change, overfishing, and captivity all put their populations at risk. Plastic waste fills their ocean homes. Loud sonar and boat engines interfere with their communication. Some species like the vaquita small porpoise in Mexico are on the brink of extinction, but all is not lost around the world. Marine biologists and everyday people are working to protect these brilliant beings and preserve the oceans they call home. Dolphins remind us that we are not the only minds on this planet, that intelligence, love, and curiosity exist far beyond the human world. In their whistles and leaps, in their eyes and bonds, dolphins show us a glimpse of the soul of the sea. To protect them is to protect a part of ourselves, our wonder, our imagination, and our future. Protect the ocean. Protect the dolphins.